So as we come down here, he has finished the ceiling. This was not like this. This was exposed. And so this is all been finished. Gonna paint this later. You know, paint that white. Paint it a color. And so here we go. I have here, he finished like I asked him to just finish right around here. Make a nice little corner. He did it really pretty. Really nice. Door is gonna be hung tomorrow. Tomorrow or the next week, we're not sure. And now here's the room. And the ceiling is done. So technically I could start painting as soon as possible. We have the Atmos speakers installed. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And so you have where the TV is going to go is finished. And it's looking good so far. All right. And then we have the speaker cables ready to go when it's time to test everything. Okie dokie. All right, here we go. Bye-bye.